Good morning, everybody. We're going to get this joint cleaned up today. It's going to be a little different video. I got to get all this stuff cleaned up, and I'm going to get the Biscayne out here on the hoist. Let's just see how she looks this morning. What do you say? Oh my goodness. Yeah, buddy, she looked good. Let's just get a little more light on the subject. We need more light. And a little bit of dust nibs in her over the night. But, whoo, look how pretty that is. Can you start seeing the vision that Adam came up with on the paint scheme? Yeah, I think she's going to be sweet. Now, I can get the deck lid put on, the doors put on. Adam and his wife are coming in tomorrow. They are going to be putting the engine in it. And then we can put the front end on. Once the whole body's all together, I'm going to start at one end and I'm going to block sand one final time. Wet sanding. Oh, I cannot wait, y'all. Oh, and there's one more color going on this. We haven't revealed that yet. But yeah, there is one more color going on this. You're gonna have to wait and see once this thing gets painted. Yeah. Man, that thing looks good. Little dust settled in it after the clear was done, but that's normal. That's okay. I'm not so sure how he's gonna like that shiny dash when he gets out in that sunshine. What? I know. It smells like paint in here, don't it? Ah, man, looking good, guys. All right. So today, this is going to be a wee bit different. I'm going to go ahead and get this area over here cleaned up. I got a tire on my mower that keeps going flat on me. Yeah, it went flat overnight. I pumped it up last night just to see. Dang it. I'm going to see if I can't get some run flat tires for the front of this thing. This is only 3 years old. Dang it. Oh well. I'll get it moved out of the way. I ain't messing with that today. Sunday's my mowing day this week. You know, because there's no rain in the forecast. But it is Ohio, so you never know. It could snow, it could sleet, it could hail, it could tornado. You never know. They'll say one thing, but it rarely does it. All right, guys. Well, there's the Biscayne now. That's that area that was crunched. Yeah, right at the taillight. All right, guys, I'm going to get you guys set up here. I got a few things I want to get done that I've been wanting to do for a while. It's Friday. I really don't want to do a whole heck of a lot to the car, but I am going to get it out here so they can do that engine tomorrow while I work on that. Yeah. I also want to get a few more things taken care of that I ain't had time to do, you know? I just ain't had time. She's trying to figure out why there's water still in there. What's that water in there for? You don't want to drink that. Yeah. All right, guys, I'm going to get my camera stand. Oh, I bet it's in the booth. And set you up while I get some stuff cleaned up. And it's crazy how messy a place gets when you ain't got time to mess with it. Now where's this cord going? Over to the Blue Mule. I'm just gonna put that over here because I ain't working on it today. I might work on it later today, but not right now. I gotta get this place clean, man. I cannot stand it. Let's kill this TV here. I'm gonna move it. I need to get a better setup for the TVs. Because this cart sucks a donkey turd through a straw now. Better put my blow gun over here. We'll hook that TV back up later. I ain't doing it right now. Man, I got so many cords tangled up, it's unreal. I need to find time to get my spade modified to go on my skid loader. I'm going to go along the outside of the building out here, and I'm going to go down about all the way to the footer if I can. Then I'm going to dig that out, and I'm going to run over here to the Lowe's, and I'm going to get some foundation sealant, and I'm going to paint that foundation from one end of this building to the other. Because I'll tell you, all the way along that building, that water just seeps in. Kind of agitated there. What I'm going to do is the cords are laying in water. Man, that GoPro is fighting me today. It don't like my voice today, I guess. good idea to blow these things out once in a while. Even if they are a junk welder. Honestly, one of these days I ought to get my other welder all together, get some wire for it and another tank because it's a brand new welder. I just haven't done it. Man, this thing's filthy too. I have no idea where that dirt would have come from. I mean, I work in a sterile environment. You know, I kind of remember cleaning this place here a month ago or so. Something like that. Yep. It happens. I'm not going to bring the car out till probably late today. I'm going to put the cat in the office for a while and open these doors, even though it's 50 degrees. Come on, let's this place air out a little bit. Who knows, I might even fire up the leaf blower. Blow it outside. I would pressure wash, but if you can remember right, I'm going to get my drain working again. I'm going to do that pretty soon because that car's about ready to paint. That Biscayne's about ready to paint. When it's ready to paint, I want to pressure wash everything. Let's just get this area here clean first. I'm moving a few things back. I didn't like, after I moved it, the toolboxes, I didn't like the way they were set up. Most of my wrenching and stuff like that happens over here. So, it's going back. As soon as I make room. I really need to clean these benches off. Really should go through the tops of these. I know I've got tools in here that I have not seen in a minute or three. That'll work. Now I'll get this one put back up there. Yeah, that'll work. That one there, I'll move around wherever I need it. But I gotta have a place to put it. All right, now I think I'm going to slide over here and see if I can't move some stuff around. Well, guys, I decided not to bring a rack in right yet because I've got to get this set up so I can get that Biscayne assembled and just kind of move the benches over here. I don't know what I showed, but I got this set back up where I want it. I'm leaving that open for right now. I got the engine hoist over here so Adam can do his engine. I put his crate with his parts on that cart so it's easily moved. I'm weeding through this mess over here a little bit, you know. I can't stand the mess. So I'm slowly making headway. This was piled clear out to here. First I need to pick that up, and then I want to get my fans down because, you know, summer is coming and I'm going to need them down here. So I'm going to get them down and just kind of organize a little bit here. I got plans for this area right here. So those of you that have followed the channel for a long time know that I've got a 67 GTO sitting right there. I've already done all the floors and stuff like that on it. If you haven't yet, go back and watch the playlist called The GOAT. That is coming back to the front line. The guy owns a garage door company, and that's who did my garage doors. So yeah, I need to get back on it. Right now, my main focus is that truck and that car in there, but I do have smaller jobs coming in as well. In fact, I'm waiting on parts from Waltz Auto for a little minivan coming in. I don't know what time they're going to be here, so it's a hurry up and wait kind of day again. But yeah, I'm just going to get this stuff cleaned up. That GTO I want setting right here. I've got a plug in right there to run my welder and plasma, and it can set right here. It's not going to be front line, but it is going to get done. Yeah. All right, I just wanted to give you a quick update of what was going on here. I'm going to take my trusty forklift here. I'm going to get my fans down, and I'm going to go through this stuff one more time, finish cleaning that up. I also want to get my dually bed down or moved because, you know, all my materials against the wall behind it. So yeah, I have cluttered so much stuff. It's unreal. Yeah. All right, guys, I'm going to get back at it, and I'll bring you back in a little bit again. Guys, I'm worn out. There's so much stuff to get moved around out there. I decided, you know what? I'll just straighten it up and get out what I needed out of that pile. I'm gonna get this thing put over in place, over the hoist, and get it ready for him. Let's just take a walk out here. I've moved a few things over here, but had to squeegee all that water up. Got some things ready for next week. I got the door jack over here. His fender's over here. I put all his parts on this cart. I don't know if I said that earlier or not, but he wanted to save them boxes, so I put that with his stuff. And then I got this over here for him, and I have spent the whole day rearranging all this. All my sheet stock is back in that corner, so I couldn't get to it. Now, the way it is, I just dragged those two seats out, which I'm gonna take them up in the loft. My engine cart's on wheels and my dolly cart's on wheels, so those are out of the way. Just roll them out, grab my sheet, take it over there. Now, I have not tackled that area yet. I started loading some scrap in the trailer. I need to do another scrap run, I guess. And Honda parts came in today. There's the front door with the hinges. Awesome, because the hinges are junk on the front door. The back door, it didn't matter, but I could have fixed the back door, but for no more than that door costs, I couldn't have done the labor. $200 for that door right there. That was the expensive one. Yeah, that one was the expensive one. And then got the fender. So yeah, that will be good. Oh, that door's got a dent in it. That should pop out of there pretty easy. It's not that bad, it's just a little pooker. But yeah, I've been sweating my butt off in here today. Shut the heat off since I got here. I left the heat on in the booth just because, you know, fresh paint. But yeah, I'm gonna get that car out here, get it set up for the hoist, and see what else I get into. It's getting kind of late. That took freaking forever. I took my Hemi from down here and put it up in that shelf, and then I took all that junk that was piled up and put it in boxes and crates. Put it over here. All right, let me get this thing out here, and we'll get something done or go home. I don't know. Looks good to me. Man, I just love that color. Gorgeous. All right, that's where she'll sit till he gets here tomorrow. I went ahead and sprayed down below that line with a little bit of trim black. Freshened it up a little bit for him. He's going to be putting a motor in there tomorrow, so don't want no overspray on the motor or the rest of the car. So I went ahead and hit that real quick. I seen that when I raised it up and I thought, yeah, that don't look good. Come on now. I'm gonna have to climb up in there. You see that? I know I haven't videoed much today, but a lot of this ain't what you guys want to see. This might have been, but it is what it is. I just wanted to get it done, you know, before I take off for the day. Almost. Hey, look at that, look at that. Oh, we got it. I can't see the tape. There we go. All right. You got that motor in yet, Adam? Come on now. Time's a wasting, brother. Come on now. Don't do me that way. Man, how much tape did I use on this thing? I charge by the inch, Adam. All right, clean my mess up again. I've still got a mess, guys, but it's a little bit more organized of a mess. All right. Well, I know this is a short video, but that's all right. Sometimes you gotta do that. Next week, which is tomorrow for you guys, actually, it's Wednesday for you guys, I'll start hanging the deck lid, the doors. Adam should have the engine and everything all in. I still got to shoot the front inner fenders. That won't take me long. I could probably do that first thing. That way they're drying while I'm doing the doors and the deck lid. Yeah. Get the inner fenders, front fenders on, the core support, all that stuff. And then I'll be ready for wet sand. So I don't know how long it's going to take to get everything lined up and bolted on, but I'll get it. So, all right, guys, I'm going to jump off here for the night. Have a blessed evening.